In this video, I'll show you how you can drive traffic to your Shopify store. Now, there are free ways and there are paid ways. For free, what you can do is you can make videos on any of the social media platforms, and this can drive traffic. The second option is to write articles or blogs. The third option is to SEO optimize it. Fourth is putting it in online communities or forums, which can be Reddit or any form of those. And the fifth is affiliate marketing. Now, the way that this works is you're gonna tell any kind of, could be an influencer or someone, that if they get someone to your store and they make a purchase, then the influencer will get a percentage of that. Now, for the paid ones, there is also influencer marketing, but instead of affiliate marketing, you're just directly paying an influencer to talk about your store or your product. Second is Facebook or Instagram ads. Those are pretty easy to make. You can find it on YouTube. TikTok is the same, just for TikTok. Pinterest, also really easy. And for the last one would be sponsored blog posts. Now, that's basically just paying to get your store or your products on someone's blog, so they will click on the link and go to your website instead. So those are currently the ways that I know of that you can drive traffic to a Shopify store. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.